The decade of electrification has begun. In the next few years, large-scale investments in renewable energy production and the offshore grid are due to be undertaken. To make a fundamental contribution to this acceleration, Elia Group created a new subsidiary, WindGrid. WindGrid will build on Elia Group's unique experience in both the North and the Baltic Seas. In 2020, Elia Group's German subsidiary, 50 Hertz, completed a world first with its Danish counterpart, EnergyNet. The construction of an offshore hybrid interconnector. The Kriegersflak combined grid solution connects the German and Danish grids together whilst also including direct links to 3 offshore wind farms.
3, 2, 1, go!
Another key group project was completed in early 2019. Elia, its Belgian subsidiary, inaugurated NemoLink, Belgium's first electricity interconnector with the UK. NemoLink's availability is above 99%, making it one of the most reliable interconnectors of its kind in the world. Moreover, Elia's modular offshore grid, or MOG, is located 40 kilometers off the Belgian coast. The MOG is a switchyard platform that bundles electricity generated by 4 offshore wind farms together and then transmits it to the mainland. The MOG was completed within an extremely tight schedule, only 3 years after the initial approval for the project. King Philip of Belgium inaugurated the project. To date, Elia Group has connected 13 wind farms to its onshore grids and is currently operating 3 subsea interconnectors. New innovative projects are on their way. These include Triton Link, a 600-kilometer subsea cable that will run between Belgium and Denmark. This project could be a world first. It looks likely that it will be the first hybrid connection between 2 artificial energy islands. Other projects are due to be linked to the Belgian energy island too. These include the export cables for a second offshore wind zone in Belgium and a second interconnector with the UK, called Nautilus. In the Baltic Sea, 50 Hertz and EnergyNet are currently focusing on the construction of a second hybrid interconnector. Central to this new project is Denmark's Bornholm Island. More recently, 50 Hertz signed a collaboration agreement with TenneT to bring wind power from the German North Sea to the mainland. 2 offshore DC cables will be linked to a so-called multi-terminal hub that will consist of several components like a converter station, a 200-kilometer-long direct current underground cable, and an electrolyzer for the production of green hydrogen. Through WindGrid, Elia Group wants to go one step further and expand its overseas activities. By harnessing our experience and know-how and co-investing in international offshore grid infrastructure, WindGrid will make a fundamental contribution to accelerating the energy transition.